Welcome again, and this lecture is based on divisions by larger divisors, like the divisors are 3 or 4 digit numbers. Now here the dividend is 7 digit number and divisor is 3 digit number. Through this example, we are going to learn how to divide by larger divisors. Now this is dividend and divisor is 721. We will write 7 as the base digit and 21 as the flag digit, and this time the flag digit number is of 2 digit number. So we will separate two numbers from the last, like this. Now 7 can divide 22 3 times and remainder is 1. So we will place remainder before the next dividend. Now from 15, for the first time, when there is just one digit number as a quotient number, we multiply first flag digit number 2 with 3. Now this we will subtract from second dividend number and this gives us 9. Now 7 can divide 9 one time and 2 is the remainder. So we will place the remainder over here. So 20. In case of third dividend number, now we are having two quotient digit numbers, 31. So we multiply 21 and 31 like this crosswise. So this is 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 5. So we will subtract 5 from 20, which gives us 15. So net dividend number is 15. If 7 divides 15, quotient is 2 and the remainder is 1. Here. Now next dividend number is 12 and from there we subtract the product of flag digit number 21 and the previous two quotient digit numbers 12. Crosswise, like 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4 plus 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. This is equals to 5. So 12 minus 5. This will give us net dividend number, which is 7. Now if we divide 7 by 7, we get 1 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Now from this dividend number, if we subtract the product of 21 and 21, crosswise, like 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 4. So we have to subtract 4, which gives us 1. So net dividend number is 1. If 7 divides 1, we get quotient as 0, but the remainder is 1. So we place this one over here. So now 15 is the next dividend number, and from here we will subtract the product of 21 and 10. Now 2 into 0 is 0 and 1 into 1 is 1. So 1. So from 15 if we subtract 1, we get 14. And 7 can divide 14 two times, leaving no remainder. So 3121.02. So answer is, so this is how we can divide by 3 digit number. Now let's see how to divide or convert 970 divided by 556 to decimals. Now for 556, we will take 5 as the base and 56 as the flag number. Now because it is a 2 digit number, so we will have to separate 2 digits from here. Now if 5 divides 9, quotient is 1 and the remainder is 4, like this. Now if 5 divides 9, quotient is 1 and the remainder is 4. And as usual, we will place this remainder before the next dividend number. The next dividend number is 47. Now from this dividend number, we have to subtract the product of first flag digit number and the first quotient number. So 5 multiplied by 1 gives us 5 and this is equals to 42. Now 5 can divide 42 8 times and 2 is the remainder. And from 20 we can subtract the product of, and now in quotient we have 2 digits. So we will multiply 56 and 18 crosswise. 8 multiplied by 5 gives us 40 plus 1 multiplied by 6, so 46. But we cannot subtract 46 from 20 because in that case net dividend will be negative. So we will change this to 7. So our quotient will become 7 and accordingly the remainder will also change. So if next quotient number is 7, then 7 times 5 is 35 and we get 7 as remainder. So next dividend number is 70. From there we have to subtract the product of 56 and 17 crosswise. That is 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 plus 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, so 41. So we have to subtract 41 and we get 29 as the net dividend. And now 5 divides 29 5 times and 4 is the remainder. Now 40 is the next dividend number. From there we have to subtract the product of 56 and previous two quotient number 75 crosswise. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 plus 7 multiplied by 6 is 42, which gives us 67. Again 67 is greater than 40. So we have to take this quotient as 4. So instead of 5, now we will be taking quotient as 4. If quotient is 4, 5 times 4 gives 20, so 9 is the remainder. So we bring 9 over here before the next dividend number. So 90 is the next dividend number. And now we have to subtract the product of crosswise product of the flag digit number and two previous quotient numbers 74. Now crosswise 5 times 4 is 20 plus 6 times 7 is 42 gives us 62. So we have to subtract 62 from 90 and this gives us 28. So if 5 divides 28 5 times, then 3 is the remainder. We place this 3 before 0. So from next dividend number 30, we can subtract the product of 56 and now this gives us crosswise this is 25 plus 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, so 49. Now 49 is a bigger number than 30, so we will take this quotient as 4. So if we take quotient as 4, then 5 times 4 is 20, we get 8 as the remainder. So we place this remainder before 0. Now next dividend is become 80. From 80 we have to subtract the product of 56 flag digit number and the two previous quotient numbers 44. Now 5 times 4 is 20 plus 6 times 4 is 24. So 44. So we have to subtract 44 from 80. So in this way we can continue and answer because this is a decimal place. So 1.744 approximately. Now let's see how to divide by a 4-digit number. Now this time we take base digit as 2-digit number 12 and flag digit number as 34. And because two flag digit numbers are there, so we separate the last two digits from here. Now 12 can divide 42 3 times and 6 is the remainder. And this 6 we place over here. So next dividend number is 61. From there we can subtract first flag digit number multiplied by first quotient number. So 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9. This gives us 52. Now 12 can divide 52 4 times as 48 and remainder is 4. So 43. Now from 43 we have to subtract the product of 34 and 34 crosswise. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So we have to subtract 24 from here. So we are getting 19. Now 12 can divide 19 one time and 7. So next dividend number is 70. Now we have to subtract the product of flag digit number with last two quotient numbers 41 crosswise. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, 19. So we have to subtract 19 to get the net dividend number and this gives us 51. Now 12 can divide 51 4 times leaving 3 as the remainder and like this we can continue and this is a decimal place. So 3.414 approximately is the answer. So this is how we can divide any digit number by 3 or 4 digit numbers very easily. And that's all in this lecture. Bye.